read your book? Hmm? Gonna read your book? Skippy John Jones, up and down. Every day, Skippy John Jones bounces up and down. Turn the page. Oh, good girl. He zooms back and forth and back and forth. His tail grows big. Then it grows small. You can turn the page. That's a girl. Oh, you like that page? Here, you turn onto this page. He springs over and he squeezes under. He sniffs. You like that? He sniffs near and he sniffs far. Then Skippy John Jones sleeps so he can do it all over again when he wakes up. The end.